how you navigate the Telegram. Make sure when you click on these three dots on the top right, you want to make sure you're on unmute so you get the notification. Second thing you want to do is always scroll up until you see your last unread messages and then read the messages from there downwards, because a lot of you are asking questions in the chat that we just answered maybe 3 or 4 lines before. So what you're doing is you're jumping in and you're not reading anything, you're just jumping in and asking a question even though we may have answered it several times already in the chat. So always go to your unread messages. I would advise you, if you're serious about trading, guys, get in this chat every single day, because there's updates going on here every single day. Okay, and you're missing important information because you're not getting in this chat. Second thing you want to do right here, guys, at the top is the pinned messages. When you click on that, it will take you to that pinned message. That was the trading plan template. Okay, and when you click on that, it will take you to the trading plan. If you click the pinned messages again up here, this is number 5, it will take you to this one. If you have a question about a trade or setup, when you click on it, it will take you to that. If you have a question or trade or setup, please always include the following minimum information. What asset you're talking about. Is it gold, NAS, etc.? What time frame are you trading? Is it 1 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute? And what is your time zone? Are you in Europe? Are you in London? Are you in Mountain Standard Time? Okay, I need that information to be able to answer your questions properly. Show me a screenshot and then give me that information. Other information that's extra helpful is where your entry was and where your stop loss was. That's pin message number 5. Okay, go to number 4. When could you go from a demo account to a live account? We have a whole quiz in here. When you click on that, it will take you to this and give you a quiz when you can go from a live account to a demo account. Pin message number 3. There's our book, Trading in the Zone. Okay, it's a free PDF. You just have to click it, you get the book for free. Message number 2, free download, the Candlestick Trading Bible in PDF. And number 1 will show you when am I on each day. Okay, I'm going to put a new one on here so that we can get, I'm going to unpin that one. Okay, so make sure you go through all of these so you know how to do it, how to get on, how to find all that information is all there for you in the Sniper Pro Traders Telegram community.